You guys know how I knew it was ready to come down?
No.
No.
I smelled it. And I was like, oh no, they're not going to start without me, are they?
Not 4 times in a row.
Actually, yes, we totally would, so.
Yeah, that's why I had to like rush down. I'm like, no! Because that was pretty much me at my computer. I was editing a ribbon candy video and then like, what's going on?
That's how I know what's happening.
What's going on downstairs?
That's how I know what's happening. I smelled the molasses.
Yeah.
Sister. Where's the sister? Oh, it's right here.
Right where you put it, huh?
He's like, am I blind?
So Max, this is going to be your first time making peanut brittle, but you witnessed it last time.
You've poured it
No,
back,
I think I
haven't you?
helped.
Oh, you poured it? Oh,
I even
okay.
did that part.
Mm-hmm.
Want to mix it
You
up
got your
next?
special gloves, your flipping gloves?
Oh yeah, that's in there.
This is the hardest part. That's why they have me do it.
Yeah?
Yep. Whoop. See? Super hard. It actually really doesn't want to mix in.
Yeah. Why does it not want to? Oh, the salt doesn't want to mix in?
Yeah, it
or-
was all like holding together in one spot. So
okay.
I'm just trying to. Can't see it anymore, so.
Yeah. I'm just going to have to trust you.
Yeah.
Ready to cook out like that?
Just make sure you don't put together a batch without me.
You wouldn't do
Because I already
that.
missed this one and the next one.
Can you do that?
You already
Daddy
missed the
would.
next one?
Yeah, because Dad put together the other one preemptively.
Thanks. I'm trying to hold it with like
Yeah, I
one
know.
foot.
This totally doesn't look like peanut brittle right now.
It does look peanutty though.
And then you just add one ingredient and then it looks exactly like peanut brittle.
Yeah, it is kind of funny. I don't know. There's probably not too many recipes
Just looks like
that are
floating
that.
peanuts right now.
Oh, hold still. Oh, hold still.
Oh.
You.
Oh.
It's Max.
I thought I couldn't tell if you were saying don't
Yeah.
hold still or
We gotta get gloves on everybody. Especially you, Max.
hot gloves.
Oh man, look at that. It's rising already.
Cotton gloves, yeah.
Okay.
And we'll let Steve do the stirring. Right, Steve?
That looks so different already.
Yeah.
Crazy. Chemistry.
It really is.
Only Walter White was here to explain everything.
Which part of this is the meth?
That's the sugar and the salt. Very addictive.
Peanuts are addictive too.
Yeah.
Alright, do you need a scrape?
Got it. Got it.
Look at that.
Max, I'm gonna let you do the foam thing. Getting down the foam with the king of the candy. I would have actually let you do the whole thing with him, but we were just a little rushed and a little off, so I didn't wanna.
Just a smidge.
I didn't want to throw you into it.
No hard feelings.
I can feel how warm it is from here.
It is a little bit warm, yeah.
Not me.
That's getting kind of close to you, Steve.
That's okay, I got it. It'll stop.
Kind of like you yesterday with the Rover and Kelly thought that the caramels were gonna go, and you're like,
True.
all kinds of time.
True.
Which Kelly thought that?
Kelly.
Original Kelly.
Kelly won.
Can't say old Kelly.
Kelly won.
Original Kelly.
OG
So
Kelly.
here you go. You can come on my side here. Just do what Steve tells you to do.
Just make a nice big square.
Or rectangle would be good too.
You gotta get the foam down. Just only go to like this far. Don't go to the edge of the table.
All the way to the edge of the table?
Don't
Mhm.
go to that.
Gotcha. That's 2 times in one day, man.
think I told you before, but I'll tell you again that we're just trying to make it the same thickness all the way around the edges, the middle, everything. Try to make it all the same thickness. It's easier that way when we stretch it.
Wouldn't it be easier to tell if it was the same thickness if we were using our hands?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Take your glove off, Trump.
Yeah. Just do it with your bare hands.
Can I use my tongue?
Yeah, actually.
Does it?
Yep, that looks good.
Yeah. All right.
Just do like this with your paddle on there. Okie doke. Okay, set that down.
Wow, that comes off way easier than the ribbon.
Yeah. Ooh, that looks fun. Good work, Dad.
Alright.
Yeah.
My work's done here.
Samurai Steve.
Oh jeez.
You guys both speak O and E's?
Mm-hmm.
I thought so.
What's going on?
Hey, Pete!
Hello.
What are you riff-raff doing down here? Wow,
Wait, I get the big one?
That's for going around.
Should I keep doing it?
I just come from the library, so figured I'd pop in and say hello. And
Get some free books.
I got
books.
one of my favorite, well,
Free looks.
maybe. I like Steinbeck, so I got one of the few that I haven't read yet.
Wait, Steinbeck, is that what's on TV right now?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we're watching Mice and Men right
You
now.
might as well.
She goes to the library and says, well, we have some
A very good Christmas movie.
Oh, we don't need that anymore now. You can put that over right by the
There you go.
fan.
Here, this is teamwork.
You keep handing me things. What is this for?
And so somebody asked last time why we don't use a pizza cutter for this instead of the scissors. So do you guys want to explain that?
Because it will wreck the table.
Yeah, we just score the table
But it
out.
was.
And I don't think it would work very well. I think it would pull the stuff into the wheel
this will-
and then it would get caught.
This has to be actually cut. That wheel won't cut it.
It just doesn't cut
Just
it.
do-
You're on the same
Okay.
page there.
So what are you looking for
I'm
when
gonna
you
be
stick your
coming
hands
over
under
Do you
there?
want the?
Sure.
Do you want it to be loosened again?
No, it's fine. It's just a little too soon.
Okay.
So what are you
I
looking
just
for
popped
when
in
you
for a second to say hello.
when you're sticking your hands under there?
We're on YouTube channel.
Well, I'm looking
Oh, you're on
so that
YouTube.
Yeah. And
it doesn't droop too fast.
So you do a droop
Too
test for this
soft.
too?
Yeah, kind of. You gotta.
Like his full-time
It's
job.
too soft, and my hands will go
Somebody
right
was
through
just
it.
Yeah.
asking me, about the
It's pretty
extent
warm,
of,
all because of making all
just
the-
on Human Street. Well, I said, no.
That's why, because all the.
It's ribbon candy. No, we can. I guess we could say it now because this video is not going to be up for a long time.
Oh,
It's
really?
not going to be up for a couple weeks. I'm so backlogged with so many videos, which is good for you guys because you guys get a lot of
All over
videos.
the place.
But yeah, it's
Awesome.
Tell 'em, Max.
So business is going pretty good.
Yeah.
peanut.
I still don't.
I'll just say peanut butter filled ribbon candy. We made some more.
It still doesn't feel right, man.
Because
You have an echo, sound effects.
yeah. Butter. But yeah, so you guys usually make 2 batches, and that lasts all the way through Christmas. And then so you guys just figured, with YouTube this year, like, oh, we'll make 1 extra batch.
What are you talking about?
Peanut butter filled ribbon
Oh
candy.
yeah. Don't say that out loud.
Well, I did because this video is not going to be up for a couple weeks.
Okay.
And that you're gonna be sold. You're gonna be sold out.
Long gone.
That's gonna be sold out by then.
That will be
that was
so
close.
gone.
Couple weeks.
But yeah, so yeah, we sold out within a week.
Yep.
And then Mom was like, okay, well, I guess we'll do 3 batches again because we already ran out. And then it sold out in 9 hours.
Yep.
So then we decided we'll do 3 batches, and we're not going to advertise it because last time we did the live stream, that's how everybody knew about
we did
it.
4 batches this time.
4 batches. Oh, you did
And
4
what
batches this
we're
time.
going to do, let our local people get a chance at it.
Yeah.
Fill those orders, and then we'll put some on the World Wide Web.
Yeah, we could even do a live stream announcing
Buy
it.
another house.
Yeah.
Expand.
Yeah, I was thinking the other day, how great would it have been if the guy over there had sold you the house way back when, and you could just have 2 houses right next to each other.
Yeah.
With
That'd be
a
so
breezeway.
perfect.
We were,
Yeah.
we were just talking about the fire out back. There's so many people. I talked to Tina yesterday.
Oh yeah.
And Carolyn Johnson lives right up the street from me. She remembers she was living 2 doors over in the gray house.
Oh, really?
Rusty Brownell.
Yeah.
She was out
Oh,
there
yeah.
the night the place caught fire.
Yeah.
And there are so many memories that come back from that. I mean,
Yeah.
and now I know the guy that lives there now.
cut it
I
now.
can't believe they let that stand for so long.
I know.
Right here,
Yep.
shit.
That's good.
I give a lot of credit to that to what's his face there, Mr. Kramer. He was
Yeah.
a building inspector back then. That's why I never really cared much for the guy.
Woo, that was a close one.
Good. Now cut that again.
Maybe
Yeah,
on this side this time.
Okay. You're in my way.
Alright, I'll stop back later, you guys.
All
Hey,
right.
happy Thanksgiving, Pete.
Through the weekend or happy Thanksgiving to you.
Woo!
Okay. See you later.
You all live well. Take care.
All right, see you, Pete.
too.
Just slightly stretch it and then flip it.
Yes, it's already hard.
Well, you can stretch it more than you might think. You think it is, but
Even if you break it, well, you got to break it anyway. So.
Yeah.
Ready? Just flip it.
Oh, what?
You
Flip the
like
whole
it,
thing?
guys. Just slightly stretch it and then you flip it. Like slightly means just go like this. Just kind of. Well, now, yeah, the edge of it's really cold. So
yeah.
just stretch what you can.
I had it in my head that the edges we were supposed to stretch first.
Yeah.
Oh, mom's killing it over here.
I was just going
Your master stretcher,
Do
huh?
the edges first.
that's what they call me. When I was a young I used to think this was so difficult. My arms and chest muscles would hurt so much afterwards.
Yeah.
And now it's like
A warm up.
about as strenuous as washing dishes by hand.
Yeah.
Man, this is difficult. What do you mean?
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
you don't do like 150 push-ups a day.
don't do
Oh, no,
no,
my.
yours looks like it's even harder though.
Do you wash dishes by hand then?
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you guys don't have a dishwasher.
Not
do
every
you?
night. But
Oh, see, there
we have
you
a
go.
dishwasher.
There
Your
you
mom?
go.
we call her Jen. Yeah.
Collar.
You got butter.
She turned me into a newt. It's not real. It's not my real nose, right? What she said?
Your aunt apparently was watching one of the I think it was one of the candy cane videos where you were talking about how I think was it you and Jason or somebody would
Hair job.
Oh, shoot.
except I didn't say shoot. About how you were you
No, that's my friend's mom. That'd be you.
I'm gonna call his mother. Put soap in his mouth. Anyway, about how you would like stick your hands out the window, like try to touch the tire while the car
I
was
think it
moving.
was Pat. I don't think it was,
Someone,
it was
okay.
Jason. So.
Well, she just wrote, "Are you serious about the tire?" And like all like exclamation mark.
That's why I was like, I didn't remember what I said, so I was like, oh God, what story did I tell?
No, that wasn't that bad.
Yeah,
Plus,
there
it was in
are
the
plenty
past.
of
It already
worse ones than
happened.
that.
See what I mean? You think you can't, but you can. Look at that.
I think I can. I think I
It's
can.
like magic.
I think they can. I think
A
they can.
magic stretching machine.
You're right, this is pretty easy.
Wow, I feel good already.
I don't know how I thought this was hard.
Yeah, making peanut brittles like for babies. It's easy. So walk
You can
in
take
the
the
park.
scissors and cut it down each piece down the middle and then down like
okay.
this. Okay. Can
I
you
gotta do everything?
Everything. He's got to leave too
Jeez.
soon because he's going to Thanksgiving.
Oh,
Do you guys want to help with the rest of the jiggers there?
No, we got it.
I only have to like go home, take a shower, get packed. You know, all the fun stuff.
Which
you gotta put your hand over the top of that. When you do that, you gotta put your hand over the top
So that the other
so
stuff
the
doesn't go
pieces
flying.
don't go flying.
Yeah.
now you know.
Well, I didn't think I did.
Just learn that.
I'm gonna go get a box.
It happens.
That's when I'm around.
Now everybody at home knows to do that too. And I think if you want to get scissors like these, I think they're called fabric scissors, right?
You're not asking me, right?
No, I'm asking Dad.
I have no idea.
I'm pretty sure somebody asked where to get them, and one time I looked it up because somebody else said they're called
No, they're
fabric
candy
scissors. Yeah.
Those are actual candy scissors.
Well, yeah, but I think they're more common. It's like more common to find
Oh, if
them
you
as
put
fabric
candy
ones.
scissors in Google, that
okay.
comes up.
All right.
I did it.
I did it.
I did it.
I don't even know where the middle of this one is.
Just keeps it going.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's hard to find in the middle too. It's like all over.
Well, it's hard to even get to the middle because, you know, scissors are only made for right-handed people. So.
Oh, that's right. I should have cut it.
No. I'm like, you know, I've spent my whole life using scissors. So
Yeah.
I learned to use it. I just mean getting it started on this side is hard because of the wall. And because you're essentially cutting through glue.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. That one was easier.
You know, save the best for last. I mean, we're trying to cut it into box-shaped pieces, right? So
Yeah,
should
so
I cut this one too?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Good manners, Dad.
You learn from the best.
Shut up, please.
You guys gonna bring that up on Monday?
The car? Yeah.
Was it him or was it? I thought it was new car that said that.
No, it was old car.
See, I didn't really know either of them. So.
Used car.
Used car?
Sure, he likes that. Almost as much as he
I don't
likes
think I
old
told him
car.
that, like, on our YouTube channel we talk about how he says "shut up, please."
Oh, are you gonna put him on?
Maybe people could meet the man who says "shut up, please," who invented it.
Shut up.
The man behind the legend.
The man.
The man behind the legend. Yeah, that's good.